I heard something today. That Generation X had to grow up so fast is not surprising. So many of us are returning to the things we loved as kids. And maybe that's true. Maybe after decades of bills, work, injuries, funerals, addiction, heartbreak, and carrying responsibility, some part of us starts looking for the kid inside of us. For me, that kid had straight knees, baggy clothes, loud music in his Walkman headphones, and a skateboard under his feet. Back then, skating was an exercise. It wasn't content. It wasn't some inspirational story about chasing dreams at the age of 50. It was freedom. It was disappearing for hours and feeling like the world couldn't touch you. I'm 50 years old now, about to be 51. I've survived things I didn't think I would. A motorcycle accident changed my life. Addiction stole pieces of me. I found healing through faith, through fitness, through rebuilding myself one day at a time. And somewhere in all of that, I found my way back to a board. Not because I'm trying to be young again, because I'm trying to stay alive in every sense of the word. This isn't my normal content. Most of you know me from talking about modern Norse paganism, the old gods, and what it means to walk a heathen path in today's modern world. But if I'm honest, becoming a better heathen isn't only studying stories or speaking about spirituality. Sometimes it's chasing discomfort, falling down, learning new things, strengthening your body, remembering joy. Maybe there's something sacred in refusing to quit on yourself. So today we're talking about skateboarding at 50. The fears, the falls, the small victories, and why some of us are still chasing pieces of ourselves we thought were gone forever. If you didn't know, my name is Jason Savage, and this is How the Heathen. This is week 8, let's go!
I fell down, got scars where the old dreams live. Still pushing this ball, got more to give. Gray in the beard, but the fire stay young. I survived my wars, now I speak with my lungs too old. That's a lie they sold. Some of us age, some of us grow bold. Every slim say, you still alive, kid. Stand back up, that's the hope.
All right, well, I wanted to tell a story while Mr. Softy was behind me. But when I was growing up in Pelham Parkway in the Bronx, there used to be a Mr. Softy that sold pagan parsley, if you know what I mean. You know, a little hyper broccoli. And what he used to do is you would give the dude your money, and he would take the fucking large cup, and he would put your broccoli on the bottom of it. And then you'd get like just a bullshit soda or something, and it'd be in like a smaller cup that would be slid into the bigger cup with your parsley there. Mr. Softy pulling up in the middle of me skating just brought back that memory, and I thought I'd share it with you.
Used to chase pavement when my world felt small. Now I'm 50 years deep, still answering the call. Motorcycles crash, pain pills, took aim. Had to bury old ghosts just to learn my name. Found gods in the silence, strength in the grind. Lost years in the dark, still rebuilt my mind. Now I'm fighting for an ollie like it's something divine. Funny how survival turns struggle to shrine. Young kids stare weird when I roll through the park. Old man on the board with a storm in his heart. Switch stain shaky, knees bark when I land. Still showing up daily, that's time to understand. Dreams don't expire, they get covered in dust. Life break your bones, but it can't kill the thrust. If I make it on YouTube, no, it wasn't luck. I kept bleeding for purpose and stayed savage as fuck.
There's something incredibly humbling about coming back to skateboarding at this age. In your head, you still remember the version of yourself that could do things without thinking. The muscle memory is hiding somewhere, but my body has opinions now. My knees negotiate, my back is sending warnings, and tricks that used to be warm-ups suddenly feel like climbing a mountain. I'm on week 8, fighting to get back to fundamentals. Ride and switch again, ollieing up things, board slides, and rock fakies on small banks. None of it looks impressive to outsiders, but each little win feels earned. When nobody talks about it, the ego check. Relearning means failing publicly, missing easy stuff, looking awkward, being the older guy at the park celebrating something teenagers land without thinking. But that's the lesson. Humility has a way of stripping you down and asking who you are without accomplishment, without titles, without who you used to be. Will you still show up? Will you still keep trying? At 50, skateboarding has become less about tricks and more about proving I'm still capable of growth. The crazy thing is, I think there's something sacred in being a beginner again. In a world obsessed with expertise, choosing to struggle on purpose changes you. Every slam, every missed ollie, every shake, ride switch is a reminder that being alive means risking failure. And growth isn't about protecting yourself from falling. It's about learning to become the kind of person that's always willing to get back up and try again. I think skateboarding, chasing your passions, and following your dreams are all tied together. Because at some point in life, especially as you get older, people started quietly handing you a script. Be practical, slow down, stop taking risks, accept who you are. But I'm not sure I believe that anymore. I'm 50 years old trying to relearn tricks I haven't done in decades, falling harder than I probably used to. I'm realizing growth only happens when you're willing to look stupid for a while. And one of my dreams is to become a full-time professional YouTuber. I'm not shy about that, but not because I want fame. I want time. Time to create videos like this, time to travel, time to document modern heathen, skateboarding, recovery, chasing purpose, and what rebuilding your life actually looks like. The older I get, the more I understand dreams don't disappear with age. Most of the time, we just bury them under responsibility and convince ourselves they were meant for a younger version of us. Maybe getting older isn't about giving up pieces of yourself. Maybe it's finally becoming brave enough to dig them back up. So whether it's skateboarding at 50, starting over, or chasing something people think is unrealistic, I'm learning there's still value to trying. Because failing while chasing something meaningful feels a lot better than wondering what would have happened if you had gone for it. If any part of this video hit home, whether you're 20, 50, or 70, do me a favor. Share with somebody who needs a reminder that it's not too late. Not too late to chase something. Not too late to shop at something new. Not too late to rebuild, and definitely not too late to become the person you were supposed to be before life got heavy. If you're interested in modern heathen, fitness, rebuilding yourself, or just want a community of people trying to become a little better than they were yesterday, check out the Discord. Pick up a copy of my book, The Modern Havamal, if you want some contemporary wisdom inspired by the old ways and can help you with the modern struggle. And if you enjoy content like this, skating, growth, spirituality, and trying to figure out life one slam at a time, hit subscribe, like the video, drop a comment, all that good shit. It helps more than people actually realize. I'm chasing a dream here too. One day I'd love to do this full time, create more videos, travel, and document what it means to be a modern heathen, trying to build an honorable life. So thank you for spending a little time with me today, and keep chasing what sets your soul on fire. Keep falling down, keep getting back up, and until next time, stay fucking savage.
I fell down, got scars where the old dreams live. Still pushing this board, got more to give. gray in the beard, but the fire stay young. I survived my wars, now I speak with my lungs. Too old? Nah, that's a lie they sold. Some of us age, some of us grow bold. Every slim say, you still alive, kid? Stand back up, that's the whole damn myth. Used to chase pavement when my world felt small. Now I'm 50 years deep, still answering the call. Motorcycles crash, pain pills took aim. Had to bury old ghosts just to learn my name. Found gods in the silence, strength in the grind. Lost years in the dark, still rebuilt my mind. Now I'm fighting for an ollie like it's something divine. Funny how survival turns struggle to shrine. Young kids still weird when I roll through the park. Old man on the board with a storm in his heart. Switch stains shaking, knees bark when I land. Still showing up daily, that's sign to understand. Dreams don't expire, they get covered in dust. Life break your bones, but it can't kill the